Rogoveanu, Scientix ambassador and primary school teacher at Mircea cel Bătrân National College, Romania. STEM has become a teaching style to get the most out of my students, to keep my skills fresh, and to spread their passion.
Hello, I'm Paraskevi Scientix ambassador and early childhood educational coordinator in Greece. I love to inspire my colleagues in the integration of STEM activities into the daily curriculum in a creative and meaningful way.
Hello, everyone. I'm Liliana Fernandes, Scientix ambassador from Portugal. I'm a primary school teacher, and being passionate about STEM in life, I develop STEM projects to improve my students' learning experience.
On this video, we are sharing some ideas to make the most out of your patio, playground, garden, and bring it into your classroom.
Μια ηλιόλουστη βόλτα στο σχολείο μπορεί να μας προσφέρει μια αυθεντική εξωτερική εμπειρία. Η μάθηση STEM στην αυλή του σχολείου μας μπορεί να είναι διασκεδαστική, συνδέοντας τους μαθητές με καταστάσεις της καθημερινής ζωής. Και τα φύλλα είναι η πρώτη μας τάση. Υπάρχουν σε πολλά διαφορετικά σχήματα, χρώματα και μεγέθη και μπορούν να αλλάξουν χρώμα ανάλογα με την εποχή και να αποτελέσουν πηγή ενδιαφέροντος και παρατήρησης. Ενώ μπορούμε να εκφραστούμε δημιουργικά με αυτά μέσω της τέχνης. Τα φύλλα συμβάλλουν στον κύκλο του οξυγόνου παράγοντάς το μέσω της φωτοσύνθεσης. Ενώ ζώα, όπως για παράδειγμα τα πουλιά, μπορούν να βασίζονται στα φύλλα για τροφή ή καταφύγιο. But who lives on the leaves? Corina, could you help us discover more about it?
Da, Vivi, frunzele sunt pline de viață. Ele oferă un prilej excelent pentru a descoperi insectele, a stârni curiozitatea și a conecta elevii direct cu natura prin activități practice, investigații și observare. Mințile elevilor se dezvoltă și învață pe baza experiențelor și a mediului la care sunt expuși. De asemenea, poate fi distractiv să prinzi o lăcustă, o albină, o gărgăriță sau chiar un fluture și să înveți totul despre caracteristicile lor, atingându-le. Insects come in all shapes and forms, but how can students see them unfold right before their eyes? Liliana has the perfect answer.
That's an interesting challenge, Corina. Primeiro, precisamos trazer as vossas amostras para a sala de aula, para podermos espreitar com o nosso pequeno olho.
De pequenos passeios na natureza ou uma simples expedição ao recreio, vamos trazer as ciências para a sala de aula. Recolham tudo o que vos espicaça a curiosidade e vamos investigar e partilhar as nossas descobertas. Depois, com a ajuda de pequenos microscópios, vamos espiar com os nossos pequenos olhos e observar todos os detalhes das nossas amostras. Em seguida, vamos partilhar as nossas descobertas com os nossos colegas, num fantástico mostra e conta ou numa belíssima exposição.
We hope this video helps you bring STEM and nature into your classroom, as well as encourage you to work with colleagues around Europe.
We believe that we can have a meaningful role in the world's future if we transmit this curiosity and motivation for STEM to our students. As Krista McAuliffe said, I touch the future, I teach.